Now we go to the second question of practice set 4.2. Construct triangle PQR such that QR equal to 6.5 centimeter. Angle PQR equal to, if you see in your textbooks, they have given 60 degree. But if we take 60 degree, the triangle which is formed is very large and it will go out of the page. Therefore, we do not consider 60 degree. We consider it as 40 degree. So, you can make a correction in your textbook and do it accordingly, considering angle PQR as 40 degree. Then they said PQ minus PR is 2.5 centimeters. So, our first step is to draw a rough figure of the triangle. So, we draw here a rough figure of a triangle. The base is given to us QR and they said QR is 6.5 centimeter. Now, also they gave angle PQR is 40 degrees. So, this angle actually is 40 degree. Now we have marked 40 degree here. Now I also told you that we have to produce this line further because it is actually a ray which we draw. So we produce this line further to form a ray, and this distance PQ minus PR is 2.5 centimeter. That forms this. So this distance is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so once this is done, now this vertex will not be P, it will be other than P, Q and R. Say suppose again we take this as A. Okay, this vertex we take as A. Now we will join AR and draw the perpendicular bisector of AR. So say suppose when I draw the perpendicular bisector of AR, it goes this way, okay, and this point where the perpendicular bisector cuts the ray, that will be the third vertex. Here Q and R is already, which is the third vertex? It is P. And after that, I join P to R. Okay, so this is the rough figure. Now let us go to the fair figure. What we do first? We draw the base QR as 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so you have here once the base is drawn, we see what is angle Q given. Angle Q is given as 40 degrees. So, we keep the protractor at Q and see that we mark the protractor is kept at Q, and I am marking here 40 degree. Okay, now I will draw a line from Q passing through this point. Okay, so this is a ray which I have drawn. Now once I draw this ray, what have I to do? I have to find this distance 2.5 centimeter. So how do I find this distance? I take the scale, keep it here, take my rounder, find the distance 2.5 centimeter. Then keep the rounder at Q and draw an arc which cuts the ray. Once I do that, then I take my scale and join this point with the arc cuts the ray to the point R. So I join this. And what did we say? We will mark that vertex as? We said we'll mark that vertex as A. So I mark it as A. What is the next step? To draw the perpendicular bisector of AR. So I make this distance between A and R when I have to draw a perpendicular bisector, little more than half the distance between AR, and draw one arc above and one arc below. Again from A, I will draw one arc above and one arc below. So what happens now? I have got two pairs of arcs which are above and below the line segment AR. Now I have to join the points of intersections of these arcs and also see that it cuts the ray. So I will keep my scale or position it in such a way that I am able to cut the ray also. So I draw it this way. Now once I have finished drawing, I know that the point of intersection of the perpendicular bisector with this ray will be my third vertex. And what is the third vertex? This was a triangle PQR. QR is already here. So what is this vertex? It is P. PQ side is already there. QR side is already there. What is left? The side PR. So I join here PR. So my triangle is completed. I have got triangle PQR. Next step is to write triangle PQR. Okay, so I write now triangle PQR is the required triangle. We can also confirm by finding the lengths. They said that PQ minus PR is 2.5 centimeter. Let us see the lengths. Here, when we find the length of PQ, it is about 7.5 centimeter. And when I find the length of PR, it is 5 centimeter. So 7.5 minus 5 is 2.5 centimeters. So the triangle we have drawn is right. PQR is the required triangle.